I just finished fully servicing this vintage Reuge singing bird cage. And this is an earlier one for Reuge. It was made in 1967, as indicated on the handwritten date on the bellows. Really in wonderful condition. The birds are pretty, so is the foliage, the flowers. Everything was taken apart, cleaned, adjusted, and lubricated so it works as it should. Let's start off on the pause feature. Bear with me. Nice long pause. The bellows are perfect. We'll wait. I'm going to move to continuous. The birds sing with full voice, hitting all of the proper oscillating notes, yet the mechanism runs smoothly and quietly. The top bird is a combination of light blues, yellows, and reds, and the bottom bird is a combination of reds. Everything works perfectly. I'm going to turn it off. And what you heard at the end was the air in the top chamber of the bellows escaping through the whistle when I turned it off. The valve clearly was open. So it works perfectly, in wonderful shape, and it winds from the bottom, as it should. Take care.